Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. So today, we're going to show you how to make caramel bread popcorn. So, eto ang mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin! Una, gupitin lang natin yung bread sa maliit na square pieces gamit ang isang gunting. After that, i-toast lang natin yung bread sa mahinang apoy hanggang sa maging golden brown. Kapag toasted at crunchy na ang bread, patayin lang natin yung apoy at set aside for the meantime. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. You can also like and share this video and hit the notification bell. Ngayon, i-prepare naman natin ang caramel coating. Una, ilagay lang natin ang sugar at ang water sa isang pan at lutuin ito sa mahinang apoy hanggang mag-caramelize. Huwag nyo itong haluin. Hantayin lang mag-dissolve ang sugar sa water at hintayin itong mag-simmer. Kapag nag-caramelize na yung sugar, i-add na yung butter. At isunod na ilagay ang evaporated milk. Haluin lang ito hanggang maging well combined. Kapag malapot na yung caramel, patayin lang natin yung apoy. After that, ilagay lang natin yung toasted bread sa caramel mixture. Siguraduhin lang na makot ang lahat ng bread ng caramel. After that, i-spread out lang natin yung mga coated bread sa isang baking sheet na may wax paper at hayaan itong lumamig. Huwag kayong mag-alala kung sa una ay malambot ang mga bread dahil magiging crispy rin yan pagka lumamig na. We hope that you enjoy this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlog. Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys! Till our next vlog!